Hey, this is Get to the Point, and today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on this second generation Tundra. This is a 2016, but this video applies to Tundras from the model year 2007 to 2021, and possibly beyond that if Toyota doesn't come out with the third gen this year. First thing you want to do is open the glove box and totally clean it out. Get rid of your owner's manuals, tire receipts, insurance and registration card, etc. Now that you got that all cleaned out, there's a little shelf bracket right here. You want to kind of lift up on this, kind of be gentle with it. It is brittle plastic. Get rid of that shelf temporarily. Now in the back there will be a black plastic panel right here, and I don't know if you can see that, but it says slide up and out. So you're going to kind of lift up on it carefully. It took me 2 hands to get this out, but I hope you can see there's 2 little tabs there at the bottom. So you lift up and you can get this piece out. Now the last piece you have to remove before you get to the filter itself is the second access panel, and there's 2 squeeze tabs, one on the right, one on the left. Just squeeze and hold each tab. Use 2 hands if you need to. Pry this cover off. And that white piece is your filter right there. Okay, notice that the cabin air filter has an arrow stamped on it. That's because the blower motor is below this glove box. So you want to make sure you put the new filter in the same orientation as the old one. Look at all that pollen and other stuff in there. So there's your new filter on the left with the old dirty filter on the right. We're going with the Wix 24483 today. This old filter on the right did have some kind of charcoal in it, which this one I don't believe has that, but we'll try this one and see how it goes. Leaves and pollen and stuff in there, in the cracks and crevices. That's why you change this out. I typically do this about twice a year, maybe once in the spring, late spring after pollen season, and then again in the fall. You can do it more often than that if you want to. This one has the arrows showing the airflow on it as well. Alright, so you just slide your new filter into the slot until it bottoms out. And you just put the first cover on, snap it in place. Then the outer cover goes on. It takes 2 hands to do it. It snaps in place, like so. And you snap this shelf back in place. Careful not to break the tabs. And put your owner's manual and all your paperwork back in there. That's all there is to it. I know this video seemed kind of basic for some of y'all, but everybody's got to start somewhere. And if you have 0 experience with car repair, this is a great place to start. Until next time, this is Get to the Point. I hope this video saved you some time and some money and some aggravation. If it did, I appreciate it if you would hit like or subscribe, or leave a comment below and tell me how it went. Thank you.